Imagine a single point suspended in stillness. No length, no width, only the fact of existence. This is the zero dimension, pure potential waiting to unfold. Extend that point and a line appears. In one dimension, we encounter direction, distance, connection. Here to there, self to other, question to answer. Add another axis and a plane emerges. Two dimensions allow patterns, triangles, circuits, networks. Relationships multiply across a sheet where interactions can coexist side by side. Tilt the plane upward and space gains depth. Three dimensions introduce volume and form. Now objects can surround us, move past one another, cast shadows, and create the textured environment we navigate day to day. Set those forms in motion, and time enters. The fourth dimension, layers change onto space, turning snapshots into stories. Cause leads to effect. Growth, decay, memory, and anticipation all rely on this unseen current flowing forward. Step back and imagine every timeline that could branch from a given moment, paths where tiny variations produce different outcomes. This landscape of parallel histories defines a fifth dimension, possibility within the same physical rules. If those timelines are sheets, the sixth dimension binds them into a stack. From this height, we can compare, jump, or trace echoes across worlds, each differing only by the choices made. Shift the initial conditions, tweak the density of matter after a big bang, invert a universal constant, and new universes arise. Group that vast catalog together, and you stand in a seventh dimensional phase space where physics itself can vary. Array these variant realms into an ordered field, and you reach an eighth dimension, reality strata diverging and converging like interwoven narratives in an anthology. Now, turn attention inward. Envision a domain where every scenario, law, and pattern can be simulated, imagined, or held in awareness at once. This ninth dimension is a horizon of pure latitude, a mental arena spacious enough to model all preceding layers simultaneously. Finally, abstract even the modeling. The 10th dimension is the total possibility space, not just what exists or can exist, but everything logically permitted. Every structure, rule set, timeline, and idea encompassed in a single mathematical whole. Each rung on this ladder does not replace the one before it, rather, it enfolds and contextualizes it. A point needs space to stretch, space needs time to breathe, time invites branching, branching invites endless variation, and variation eventually gestures toward an infinity of forms. By climbing this staircase, we gain a perspective vast enough to see how the familiar and the unimaginable share a continuous, layered architecture, one that begins with the faintest flicker of being and extends to the furthest edge of thought.